Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your downtime on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open your settings and then go to screen time. Then here you can choose downtime. So if you want to activate your downtime, just click on the switch. Make sure it is color green, and then here, if you don't know what downtime is, so it says that set a schedule for time away from the screen. During downtime, only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. So that's it. So if you want to, you can also customize your days. So choose any day that you want or choose every day. And then also you can customize your time from, for example, from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. So if you want to edit that, just click on the time. Okay, so as you can see, it says that only apps that you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. So to choose the apps, you just need to go back to your screen time and then click always allowed. Then here you can choose any apps that you want to put always allow apps. Okay, so for example, you want to put camera, just click on the plus sign. Then if you want to remove some apps from all allowed apps, you can just click on the minus button, then click remove. Then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.